So today we're going to be changing a rear sprocket on a 2019 KTM 85. Today we're going to need a 32 wrench, 10 wrench, a 13 wrench, a socket, an extension, a ratchet, a hammer, a flathead, and Loctite, and a star key. So the first thing I'm going to do is unloosen the main axle rear bolt. Now I'm going to tap the rear axle out. You want to take your guides out to make sure they don't fall out. Then you can go ahead and pull your rear axle out. It should slide through. See, slid right out. So how I got this rear wheel off, easy. You wanna, once your axle comes out, you wanna push the thing forward, your rear wheel forward, and then pull the chain backwards, and then it'll slide right off. Since I got the rear wheel off, now you just take your socket and your socket extension and your star key, and then take your 13. There should be some nuts underneath here. You want to take it and then hold it back here, and then try to undo. You probably want to put your knee on the tire just for some leverage, because these bolts should be hard to get off. Since I got them all out, you can just take them off and go ahead and slip these right off like this. So now I'm installing the bolts, my new bolts, because one of them was stripped. So now you want to this is the time to put your Loctite on the bolts. You don't need a lot. See, you don't need a lot, but just enough to cover the bolt. Yeah, and then you can just take your finger and just wipe it around. Like that. Make sure you get the whole bolt, because you don't want this coming loose in the air. So now I got the rear wheel on. Now you wanna just put this on like this. Slide the axle through. Let's go. Now, all you do is tighten up the chain. Should be ready to ride.